Hey guys, it's Alice, and today hey guys, it's Alice, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a volcano experiment. So I am using my brother's thermostat, but he let me use it, so that's good. And he never let me use anything with his. It's really awesome. And so I'll show you what it includes with, but I didn't have the box, so I can't show you, but yeah. Oh well. So you have the volcanoes, obviously. Then you have some baking soda, orange baking soda. And then you get 2 packs. I'll be using one. So I'm doing one volcano. You have 2 test tubes. 2 test tubes, as I've always said. So,
Ed, what are you doing?
sorry about that, my little brother.
I'm going to make a volcano.
Vinegar, but this is not included, so you have vinegar and you're good to go. And then you have to have a medicine spoon. You don't have to, but just to get out the right amount. And yeah, that's all it includes. And instructions, but I've already did this, so first things first. You have to have parent supervision and festive sweater. No, you don't have to, but I'm in December, so what's the better wearing festive sweater? So my favourite one with stars on. Cute. And yeah, so you can pour 1 milliliter of vinegar into test tube, like this. Until it gets to 1 milliliter.
I just won't like this part, probably.
So, milliliter. Where it is. That's way too much. Just go pour it.
That is too much.
So I can stick it. Okay. So you're gonna pour it in. You're gonna put it in the test tube in there as far as it can go.
Yes. Why turn it to a volcano?
Yeah, this is my little brother. Say hello, Andy. Say hello.
Hello.
That's my little brother. He's so cute.
Nice for you.
Sorry about that. It's a bit of silliness there for you. Anyway, so you can add a little bit of baking soda into the thing. And if it's not erupting very well, just add a little bit more vinegar.
Daddy, Ada is going to make a dinosaur painting.
And if you think it's too watery, then you add a bit of baking soda. And then it should erupt.
Daddy, a volcano.
Yeah, it should erupt, but it's not really mainly erupting now, so I'm going to make it erupt now.
But it's on fire.
Yeah, just all in. And it comes in a little box, so you won't get anything messed up. And yeah, that's basically
Alice,
it. And then look, it's erupting! Ah! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my god, look at that. I think I actually did it. This is last time it really didn't work, so yeah. I think it's actually not that hard. It's actually not that hard.
Alice,
so I hope you enjoyed the video.
Alice, what a thing it is.
Yeah. So
a
volcano.
volcano.
Yeah,
Alice, look at the lava.
Yeah, my little brother is like. So hope you enjoyed this.
Look at the lava is going down.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. You know what to do, join the party. And yeah, comment down below what your favourite bit was. You don't have to do that, but just like to know. You know? You know. Yeah, just a bit of craziness. And so like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!